I'm giving away an X4 and a G5. I'll have a special question that the first person to answer it wins one of these, and another one that they'll win the other one. So good luck. The Wuben G5. So tiny. Adjustable from 2 to 400 lumen. 65-hour max runtime. That's great. Feel the heat. With a rotating adjustable clip. Oh no, it's a Popo. 10 lumen RGB light offering 7 colors. This thing is pretty neat. You have your RBG light and your white light. This is your push and your rotary for adjustment. Toggle button. Charging port underneath. That's for your lanyard. This is a magnetic base. And your clip. The first switch is on and off. When you single tap, it's a light, which you can adjust. Turbo is double tap. Hold the button for RGB. Double tap in RGB to flash. So yeah, this thing is super, super bright and very compact. And you can swivel the head and the bracket. Still time for a good holiday gift. Message! If you want to win this G5, go to the X4 video. Tell me exactly when the Wuben sandwich pops up on the screen. First correct answer wins the Wuben G5. To check your battery level, turn it in a non-lock state. Hold the button for 1 second. That tells you the level of your battery. It gives you a little lanyard, or if you'd like, you can hook it to your keyring. When you plug it in for charging, that's the status of your charge. So when you flip that clip to the side, you can clip it to the bill of your hat, even adjust where you want the light beam to go. And it's light enough, it's very light, so it won't pull on the bill of your hat.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.
You're still here? Huh! Guess you want to win this Wuben X4. Well, this one's going to be a little tougher for you guys. Almost exactly a year ago, on December 16th, I uploaded a video. What's the title of that video? Good luck.